Hello everyone, good evening. I hope you are preparing at your home, and as you all know that online studies are going on because we cannot conduct classes in person these days. So I feel you are studying. In that context, I would like to give you a few descriptions about your paper second, book second, which is Othello, and why I am emphasizing upon the text because it is really a big text. It is really lengthy. It is a masterpiece written by William Shakespeare, and you have to give your attention towards it if you want to pass your paper second. And I'm saying this thing again and again because it has been added a new text in your syllabus, so you have to keep a pace with me and you have to study at your home whatever I'm giving you online. So in that context, I would like to deal a few points here. Othello, the name has been written here. It's a tragedy. We also call it Moor of Venice. You can call it as a subtitle. It's a subtitle. Why we call it Moor of Venice? Because Moor is a black person, means black, and Venice because Othello was a soldier in Venetian army, so we call him Moor of Venice, and the drama revolves around this man. That is why the subtitle is based upon his own characteristics. So I would like to deal a few questions that will be very much essential in this text. So here are a few questions. You can prepare this. What is a tragedy? Okay, what is a tragedy? Write down certain characteristic of a Shakespearean tragedy. You have to tell the examiner what a tragedy is, because you will be having a short note also regarding this concept tragedy. Then you have to deal with the elements of Shakespearean tragedy, which I have already given you yesterday. So you have to make a compact answer of this question, and it can be in the form of a long question too. Language can be different, but the sense would remain same. So you have to prepare this question. Then there would be character sketches of major characters like Othello. As I told you, he is the protagonist, central figure. Then she is Desdemona, wife to Othello. She is female protagonist. As I told you many times in class, protagonist means central character. Then Iago is the arch villain. Arch, why we call him arch? Because he is an extreme villain. When you will go through the text or when you will read about him, you will come to know that he was a poisonous person. He was above the category of villain, so we call him arch villain. We can also call him antagonist. Antagonist, a literary term, same like protagonist. This is antagonist. Then Cassio, friend of Othello. He is friend of Othello who dies at the end. Then describe Othello as a tragedy. You have to keep in mind certain things, that the drama is a tragedy. So you have to think everything in context of this thing, because this thing is very important. And Shakespeare, he has written many dramas, but basically he is famous for his tragedies because he has excelled everyone in this context. He was a master of his tragedies. So you have to master this term, and you have to master the major elements connected with this term. Then only you can master this thing, Othello. Okay, so because we are not taking classes, so you have to have your own efforts in this context, and rest I will be helping you. Okay, then good luck and please go through it.